hypothetically speaking, my client called me up and said that he changed the space I previously scanned. Now, instead of looking like this, which is how it got scanned initially, this entire back area is now just a single party room with one big table, as opposed to being broken up the way it is here. Now, I want to make this as efficient as possible, and therefore I don't want to have to scan this entire facility again. You can see this is a pretty big space. I just need to rescan this area by itself. But how can I do that when I don't even know where my backup is? And the answer to that is Cloud Restore. Better than a backup, Cloud Restore allows me to go into my account or any account that I have a collaborator account with, find any model I have access to, and download it back to my device. Whether or not it was captured with iOS or Android doesn't even matter. Regardless of what OS was used when initially capturing the model, I can download the original digital twin data to my device and do anything like create new markings, re-upload for processing, or even delete old scans and replace them with new ones. And the first thing, of course, that you need to do is open up the Matterport app. So I've got the app open right here, and I'll go into Spaces, go into All Spaces. And it's definitely important that if you are a collaborator or admin in multiple accounts, that you're signed in to the correct account in your app. So it looks like this is not the right account that I want. I'll go into Settings, go into Account right here, choose Organization, and start by choosing the right organization. Then go back into Spaces, come down here to Demo Spaces. There's the model. I just want to verify that we are looking at the correct model here. Now I just tap the three-dot menu up at the top and choose Restore Job Data. I can also do this from out here. The three-dot menu on the side here, tap that, and I get the same menu options. Restore Job Data is right here. I'll just tap that. And as easy as that, the download has begun, restoring the original model data into my Matterport app.